Hey everyone. So, in this video, I'll show you how to appeal a suspended Gmail account. This is the full guide for 2026. And yeah, this helps if Google temporarily or permanently suspended your account. Gmail accounts are usually suspended due to policy violations, spam activity, or suspicious behavior. Sometimes, though, accounts are suspended by mistake. Now open your browser and go to Google's account suspension appeal page. Sign in using the suspended Gmail address if Google asks you to. On this page, choose the option to submit an appeal. This sends a review request directly to Google's support team. Enter your Gmail address and write a short explanation. Be clear and polite, explain what happened, and confirm that you'll follow Google's rules moving forward. Google may ask you to verify your identity using a recovery email or phone number. Complete the verification to continue. After submitting the appeal, Google reviews your request. This can take a few hours or in some cases a couple of days. If Google approves the appeal, your Gmail account will be restored automatically. If the appeal is rejected, Google will send an email with the final decision. After your account is restored, review Gmail policies, avoid sending bulk or spam emails, and secure your account. This helps prevent future suspensions. And yeah, that's how to appeal a suspended Gmail account in 2026. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.